I'm gonna show you an example of a video that made $36,000 for one of my clients. Plus, there's also a pretty funny story that goes along with it. This is my client, Jason. So he's a real estate agent in New York City and Long Island. So his average deal size is upwards of $20,000. So we had this film session scheduled, but he definitely was not feeling it that day. He wasn't himself. He's usually very good on camera. He's got a great presence. I don't know whether he was having a bad day or was overly stressed. I actually even suggested that we reschedule the shoot, but he wanted to power through it. And he's like, you know what? I'm going to have a drink. Pulls a whiskey bottle out of his office drawer or whatever it is, right? Pours himself a glass. He's starting to calm down a little bit. And I was like, okay, cool. Turn the camera on. He goes to put the whiskey down. I was like, no. Keep drinking the whiskey. He's like, really? He's like, in the video, you sure? And I was like, yeah, why not? It's very cool. It's casual. It's laid back. It might actually even attract people to you. Just give it a shot. If it doesn't work out, we won't do it ever again. So we actually created a few short form videos with him sipping some whiskey and just talking about real estate, sharing his thoughts and ideas. So one of his followers picked up on this video and they liked the whole vibe of it. And they reached out to him to schedule an appointment because they were getting ready to list their home. And of course, one thing led to another. They hired him. He closed the deal, $36,000 commission, all from one video where he was sipping on some whiskey and sharing his expertise. So yes, this was a huge win for Jason. And of course, obviously it was a huge win for me because anytime I am able to deliver that type of ROI for a client, it's always a win. But the moral of the story is this: be yourself in your videos. People want to work with people whose vibe they like, who they're comfortable with. And this guy just happened to like Jason, saw the video, and that prompted him to reach out. So get out there and start making some videos ASAP. And if you need help and you want to put your videos on easy mode, holler at your boy. See ya.